In this video, we will see how to find unlimited YouTube video topics. Before we find the topics for the YouTube channel, we need to understand why people come to YouTube. What is the primary purpose people are spending time on YouTube? Let me show you the Google stats here. These are the actual stats we are getting from Google, from thinkwithgoogle.com. Once you open this, you can see why people turn to YouTube. So these are the actual statistics in percentage that Google is showing us. So basically, to be entertained time, to learn something new, to help something in my home or car, to help me solve a problem, to see something unique, to improve my school or job skill. These are the data from Google. Now we understand why people are coming to YouTube. We need to find out what people are searching for on YouTube. It's not about what we think. Therefore, we will discuss a few methods and the differences between those methods. What is the most efficient way to find video topics? Here's the first method. We will look at the VidTechy topic research tool. To sign up, go to vidtechy.com and click Free Sign Up. It's free to start. Once you sign up, you log in with your credentials. Once you log in, this is the dashboard you can see. It's a free tool. So once you log in, you can see the dashboard here. So look for the Topic Research tool. Go to the left menu and click Research Tool and Topic Research. Both go to the same page. Then type your primary keyword. For this example, I will use YouTube marketing as the primary keyword and click Suggest Topics. Now the software algorithm generates and gives you back hundreds of topics. This is what people are exactly searching for on YouTube. So these are all the topics that people are searching on YouTube, not from other sources. So you can see the mind map here. So these are the topics you can research and get the data. So this is the mind map view. Once you click data, it will show in the data format. So from the mind map view, once you click it will go to YouTube and search those keyword results here. So once you go to the data, from here, we can understand the search volume and all those things. So let me check about this keyword, how to become a YouTuber. So once you click the Keyword Analyzer, it will redirect. From this Keyword Analyzer tool, we can see a lot of helpful information. Like it's under the overview, you can see the approximate search volume. Then once you come down here, this is the top 20 video analysis. Means dawn page optimization for those videos. So these are the partially found keywords. Then see here is an exact match of the topic. So you can see all the status here. Once you come down, see 4 exact matches, the title and 2 descriptions and tags. You can see all those details here, how the top videos are performing. So from this, we can get a clear idea whether we can go and do videos for these topics or not. All those details are here. Once you click here, it will show whether this keyword gets the result in a YouTube search or not. See here how to become YouTuber. So the first result is YouTube. And once you come down, as you can see that there are many possibilities for this keyword, you can also rank in Google. So let me come back to the tools here. Then once you click the second tab, that is earning potential. You can roughly know how much you can earn from this if you rank. So this is the top and dominating video for this keyword. I think it's worth trying and getting ranked for this keyword. Then once you click the related keyword, you can see all the related keywords to your main topics. So from here, you can click the Keyword Analyzer. Then after you can see all these details for this particular keyword. Then to verify, you can click the Google Trends and see whether this topic that people are searching on YouTube as well as Google. So with this trend, yes, we can confirm how to become a YouTuber is the best topic or not. We also can able to get a ranking for those keywords. So that's all about the first method. The first method is using the VidTechy topic research. So with this, you can easily find the exact keyword that people are searching for on YouTube. These are the exact keywords that people are currently searching on YouTube. Let me come back to method number 2. So the second method is also free by using the YouTube auto-suggest function. Once you come back to YouTube, once you come to the search queries like YouTube marketing. Once I type YouTube marketing, these are the top keywords that people are currently searching on YouTube. So you can use this method also. YouTube marketing full course. YouTube marketing tutorial, YouTube marketing hacks, YouTube marketing step by step. So these are all the keywords people are currently searching on YouTube. We can take this as a keyword and make a video on our own to get a ranking for those keywords. So getting these top keywords is very hard. We cannot copy these keywords here. Like right-click on copy also, it will not work. So again, let me come back to the VidTechy. The free version user also can able to use this feature. Just go to the research tool, then keyword autocomplete. Or you can directly click from the dashboard keyword autocomplete. Here you can type our keyword YouTube marketing. By default, the provider is YouTube. Then click start. So it will be fetching all the keywords like YouTube marketing A, B, something like that. All the keywords are the same. Within one click, you can extract it here. You can select all the keyword and copy and use it for your purpose. So this is the second method using YouTube autocomplete. Then the third method is Google Keyword Planner. With the help of Google Keyword Planner, we can find the topics people are currently searching on Google. To use the Google Keyword Planner, we need to log into our Google Ads account. Sign in with your Google Ads account. Then click Tools and Settings. Then click the Keyword Planner. Discover new keywords. Click this, then here, type your keyword YouTube marketing. Then get results with this Google Keyword Planner. You can also find the keywords. And these average monthly searches are shown here. Basically, Google Keyword Planner is for website SEO and Google Ads. Let's say if you run ads, you can use this to run your ads. But we can get a rough idea about what people search on Google. Finding YouTube video topics is easy with these three methods. The conclusion I draw from this is that you should try VidTechy's tool for topic research. It's free to start. Please subscribe to our channel to get more useful ideas about YouTube marketing.